This 2021 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 41 feet 11 inches in length and features a gray, neutral interior, sleeps 7, water heater, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, smoke detector, microwave, LP detector, spare tire kit, oven, external shower, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH is 14,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.